Welcome again. So, this is another fully funded scholarship that provides a monthly allowance. It also provides exemption from fees for education, which means no tuition fees. Then it provides a lump sum for international travel costs. So, it's a fully funded scholarship, and I'll be showing us how to apply for this scholarship in this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and also like and share this video. Many of our viewers are not subscribers. Please subscribe to this channel. So this is the NAWA International Scholarship. So you see, I'm using a call that was made last year, June 26, 2025. The next call for application for this scholarship in 2026 is starting 20th of May to 21st of June 2026. So this video is coming early because usually the application is closed even before the deadline. So I want us to be among the first applicants for the scholarship. That's why this video is coming early. You will see it's stated here the call will be closed after the above deadline or earlier for a given group of countries if 300 applications are submitted. So these are the group of countries that are listed here. We have group 1 countries, group 2, group 3, group 4. So what they said here is that immediately they receive 300 applications from any of the groups, the application will be closed. So that's why you need to have an edge and be among the first applicants for this scholarship. So make sure you stay to the end of this video to know what you need to prepare to apply for the scholarship. So let's go straight to the application documents that you will be needing for the scholarship. So this is the call that was made last year, and you see these are the eligible applicants for the scholarship. So these are the eligible countries for the scholarship. So just check if your country is listed in these eligible countries for application for the scholarship. So we have many African countries listed. We have Nigeria, we have Rwanda. So this scholarship is for those planning to start a second circle study. So what does this second study mean? It means the circle study means master's degree. In Polish, it is not called master, it is called second circle. So first circle is a bachelor's degree. So this scholarship has two study paths. You can decide to study in Polish or you can decide to study in English. So if you decide to study in Polish, you'll be offered an opportunity to do a preparatory course in Polish before your second circle studies, that's before your master's degree. So it will also fund this second circle study. But if you choose to do your study in English, it's also okay. So these are the documents you'll be needing for the scholarship, the list of the required documents you'll be needing for the scholarship. So we have a scan of your passport, then we have a scan of your first circle diploma, that's your bachelor's degree, a scanned copy of it. Then you also need a document confirming participation of recruitment for full-time circle studies. Circle studies. So what does this mean? This means that you need to provide a document to show that you have been admitted into a university. So you need to show a document that you have been admitted into a university. So this document can be a decision of conditional admission. It can be an email confirming your registration. So you can just screenshot an email confirming that you have registered or you've started registering for a particular course at the listed universities. So these are the universities that are affiliated to this scholarship. They are listed here. So there are a lot of them. So many of them do not require an application fee, but some of them require an application fee. Like this scholarship, we'll be using this scholarship as an example. Didn't state any application fee. So to just check the application timeline. So this is the school. The I won't be able to pronounce the school. So Jalonias University in Cranco. So this is the so check the step-by-step guide. So this for example medical engineering for second circle. That's for master's degree. So the application timeline is from March to May. So they usually apply online. So you just click here, register to start your application, and so that you can have your admission letter before the call for applications is made 20th of May. So once you have your admission letter ready, if even if you don't have your admission letter ready, you can always screenshot the registration page and use that as the document also to apply for the scholarship. So still on the what you will need, the documents you will need to provide to apply for the scholarship. Then you also need a scan of a document confirming your knowledge of language. So if you are learning in Polish, you will need a certificate to show a certificate of completion of a Polish language degree. That's a Polish language certification. Then if you are studying in English, you also need to provide a certificate of you need to provide an English language proficiency certificate. So that proficiency certificate can be your WAEC, it is stated here minimum level of B2. It can be a, a scanned document confirming completion of your bachelor's in English. So you don't need IELTS for this scholarship. Then the next document you'll be needing is a file with a video recording of the applicant's presentation in Polish or English. So you will do like a 1 minute video. You do a 1 minute video introducing yourself, what are your goals, what you aspire for, why you are applying for this scholarship, how this scholarship will help you to accomplish your goals. You can do a 1 minute video. You can just do it and put it as a YouTube video, as a private video, and send the link to them. You'll be needing that also to apply for this scholarship. So those are the documents that you'll be needing to apply for the scholarship. So I wish us good luck in this application. So let's not forget the application deadline or the application timeline. So prepare all the documents you'll be needing for the scholarship. Start your application at the university so that you have a proof of registration. Just start an application at the university. Then prepare all your documents you'll be needing and wait for this timeline, 20th of May. And immediately it is this timeline and this application is opened, I'll be posting the reminder in my WhatsApp channel. So if you have not joined that WhatsApp channel, please check the link in the description of this video to join that channel. And immediately this scholarship opens, I'll prompt you so that you can start applying immediately. So prepare all the documents you'll be needing to apply for the scholarship so that you can be among the first applicants for the scholarship. I wish us good luck in our applications. See you next.